Hi everyone, I am Pratish of BCom CA second year, Dr. SNS Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Here I am going to present a CLT presentation of shares. Meaning of shares. The investment or the capital of a company is divided into a fixed number of units. Having a small amount of each units are called as shares. Types of shares. There are two types of shares: equity share and preference shares. Equity shares are also known as ordinary shares. Equity shares are issued to the general public and non-redeemable in nature. Investors in such shares hold the right to vote, share profit and claims the asset of a company. Equity shares are long-term financing sources for a company. Meaning of preferences. Preference shares are those which have two preferences over equity shares. Preference as to payment of dividend and preference as to return of a capital in the event of winding up of a company. Here we see types of preferences: cumulative preferences, non-cumulative preferences, redeemable preferences, participating preferences. Meaning of cumulative preferences. These are the shares which have the right to get arrears of dividend if the company is unable to pay the dividend in any year. If any year out of the profit of a company, first of all, arrears of dividend on cumulative preferences would be paid before any dividend is paid on other shares. Meaning of non-cumulative preferences. Non-cumulative preferences are those shares on which the arrears of dividend do not go on accumulating. If any year the profit of the company are insufficient to pay the dividend at the fixed rate, the holders of these preference shares will have either to miss the dividend or accept the dividend at a lower rate. Meaning of redeemable preference shares. If the money received on preference shares is to be returned after a certain period, the shares are known as redeemable preference shares. Such shares can be redeemed out of a new issue of shares or out of profit or reserves of the company. Before these shares can be redeemed, they must be fully paid up. Meaning of participating preference shares. Preference shares are usually entitled to a fixed rate of dividend. If, however, they participate in surplus profit which remain after the equity shareholders have received dividend at a standard rate are known as participating preference shares. Thank you so much for your valuable time.